oil painting restoration is an interdisciplinary and highly complex task. Restorers need to have a deep understanding of art history, oil painting history, as well as physics and chemistry. Besides, they must possess interdisciplinary thinking and analytical skills, so that they can effectively assess the condition of paintings and give viable solutions. Each oil painting, due to differences in creation time and storage environment, suffers unique damage. Therefore, restorers need to restore paintings based on their specific conditions. They analyze damaged works by multispectral methods to determine the way of painting, thickness of pigments, cracks, and other factors. Subsequently, they proceed with steps such as cleaning, treating peeled-off parts, color matching, framing, to restore the original appearance as much as possible. The entire restoration process requires the utmost concentration, similar to a surgeon performing surgery, so as to ensure the preservation and restoration of the original work.